No thanks, not for me. I'm okay. I don't need it. But this poor, awful wretch needs help.
But, you're both in the same boat.
None of us can look down on someone else for their sin, because all of us have sinned, and all of us can be saved from sin through faith in Jesus. Because Romans chapter 2 and verse 1 says, "You, therefore, have no excuse, you who pass judgment on someone else, for at whatever point you judge other, you are condemning yourself, because you who pass judgment do the same things." So stop judging another people and be saved from your sin through faith in Jesus. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Bible videos. Bye.